You love your V70, but let's be honest, these fog lights, they look like they belong in 2006. But don't worry, we got an easy upgrade that will bring it right up to date. You could just swap to a LED bulb, which will make the fog light look much nicer, but I recommend these, as these will also give you a great light pattern. We've designed these LED modules or inserts to fit perfectly into the Volvo's fog lights. No weird modifications, and you don't even need to remove the fog light from the car to mount them. All you need is a set of trim tools.
We can start by removing the connector that sits on the back of the light. You just press the small latch at the top of the connector and pull. You can see how it looks here. And now we can remove the fog light insert using the two tabs on the sides. Press them out with your fingers, while at the same time you pull the insert out. And then it's the same with the adjustment screw here on the bottom. You can also use a trim tool to pry it apart. And here's the original. And here's the LED insert, which will be mounted like this.
And if you like this video and want to see more Volvo products like this, subscribe to the channel.
Let's get it mounted. You just push it into place like the original. And then just push in the connector. That was very easy.
They're brighter, sharper and way more stylish. And the best part, they're super easy to install. No tools, no stress, just plug and play. We actually made a video about these LED modules like 8 years ago with a guy who looks kind of like me, but he's a little bit rounder, he's a little bit more nervous. Are you thinking about buying these? You can find a link to them in the description. And if you want to watch something more from us, click up here.